Syrup filling and capping line assembly guide conveyor and tracks. The screws will be placed in the toolbox after removal. Part 1. Overall assembly effect. Part 2. Packaging effect display. Labels will be retained during packaging. Each set of tracks will be packaged together. For easy organization during assembly. Part 3. Organization before assembly. Find the corresponding labels on the conveyor and track. Place them together for subsequent assembly. Part 4. Conveyor disassembly and assembly. How to disassemble. The reverse operation is the assembly step. Part 5. Assembly tips. The conveyor belts and other parts can be easily separated at the connection points for convenient assembly. The above is the assembly guide for conveyors and tracks.